So I'm finished the deburring and around the deburring. I'm done. I haven't done the sanding, but this is what the trailer looks like. It's not painted. Oh, I'm missing the hardware. Here's the hardware. Oh, intense. You'll get to see it. Here, what it looks like. Pile of metal. 2 wheels, a bunch of hardware, and a bunch of tubings. So stay tuned. Well, this is what it's going to look like. Of course, this big green one is going to go on the bottom. That's for sure, because it's the 12. And the white Frontier 10 is going to come up on this one. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to put on. I didn't strap it, but I'll just grab onto these bars. You'll notice that there's no pins on these crossbars. In order for these to come out, these got to stretch. And I don't know how it's going to stretch. Same thing with the center bar. It's going to come this way. Unless I start seeing it open up, and plus it's in for at least 2.5 inches. But there's no way in the, cross my fingers, in hell, that it'll actually come apart. So that's it. Time to sand, and sand, and sand, and sand some more, then paint. And that'll be done. You're ready for the summer. I'm not putting lights on. If I do put any light, it'll be on the Kayak at the back. Probably use a bicycle red light off a battery. Easiest way of doing it. Back to work.